Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing two Ryobi hot glue guns, the P305 and the P306. First, let's go over price. The Ryobi P305 can be bought for $39.99, but I would check HomeDepot.com because they're always running deals where you can get a battery and a charger. I was able to get mine for $49.99 with a battery, a 1.5 amp hour battery, and the charger. It's the basic charger, but it's still a charger nonetheless. If you're not in the system, I thought that was a pretty good deal. As for the P306, you can get this for $29.99, but I would check your local Home Depot because I was actually able to find it on sale for $24.99. Just the tool, mind you, but for $24.99 and you're already in the system, I think that's a pretty good deal. As for the runtime, the P305 can run for 3.5 hours off a 4 amp hour battery. That's what Ryobi states. As for my experience, I only have a 1.5 amp hour and a 2 amp hour. On the 1.5, I was able to get 45 minutes, not a problem. I actually stopped using the tool. That's how long it was lasting me on the 1.5 amp hour battery. As for the P306, the P306 has a stated runtime from Ryobi of 5 minutes. This is a bit misleading because the 5 minutes isn't actually the whole tool. It's just when it's off the dock. Because when it's off the top, there's no power running through it. It has a heat core in it, and it heats up and stays heated until the heat dissipates, either through the glue or through the ambient temperature. Ryobi states it can do 1.5 hot glue sticks through it, and we're actually going to be testing that out. So I'm going to place this back up on the charger. I'm going to get the good old hot glue station set up. And we're going to run through. This has been on for about 10 minutes, and I just want to see how many hot glue sticks I can get through. These are 8-inch glue sticks. Let's see how many I can get through. All right, that was about as much as I'm going to be able to get through, maybe 1 or 2 more squeezes, but it's starting to get harder and harder to squeeze. I was able to get through one 8-inch stick, and I'd say a quarter of another 8-inch stick before I had to place it back on the charger. That's one of the downfalls I see in my mind of the P306 compared to the P305. The P305, as long as you have a battery on it, you can pump glue through it. Before we get into my thoughts about each hot glue gun, I will be giving 2 $20 gift cards away at 500 subscribers. All you have to do is be subscribed and leave a comment on this or any other video. And once I hit 500 subscribers, I'll be giving those out and reaching out to those people. Now let's talk about my thoughts. If you're doing small projects and only need to use it in short increments, I think the P306 is a great deal, especially if you're already in the Ryobi system. But the P305 gives you more versatility and runtime overall without having to stop and charge it. So this is more ideal for big projects. I mean, you could use this for smaller projects, but it depends on your needs, really, I would say. I prefer the P305. This is the one I'm going to be grabbing all the time. And it's my recommendation is the P305 over the P306. Well, if you guys like this content, you guys know what to do. Please like, share, subscribe, and that lets me know you guys want to see more content like this. And look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.